Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Toyota Innova Hycross is a vehicle that redefines what a modern MPV should be. It blends the practicality and spaciousness that the Innova has always been known for with a fresh, contemporary design and advanced hybrid technology that speaks to a more sustainable future. From the moment you look at it, the Hycross feels like a step forward. The front end features a large, bold grille that instantly grabs attention, flanked by sharp-looking LED projector headlamps and sleek daytime running lights. It has a muscular stance with a sculpted bonnet and a clean profile, while the large alloy wheels and smooth shoulder lines give it a dynamic presence. Unlike previous generations that leaned heavily on utilitarian looks, the Hycross carries a premium air that makes it look more like an urban crossover than a traditional people mover. Step inside, and the cabin feels like it belongs in a much more expensive car. The materials are noticeably more upscale, with soft touch surfaces, leatherette upholstery, and ambient lighting that adds a sophisticated feel. The dashboard is dominated by a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which comes loaded with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster is partly digital and offers crisp graphics with all the information a driver could want. Both 7 and 8 seat configurations are available, and in the higher variants, captain seats in the second row come with Ottoman-style leg rests. There's also a panoramic sunroof, which is a first for the Innova, flooding the cabin with light and enhancing the sense of space. Practicality has not been compromised in the pursuit of style and comfort. There are cup holders and storage cubbies all around, a cooled glove box, and USB ports across all rows. The rear seats are split folding and slide to give more flexibility between passenger and cargo space. Boot space is ample, especially when the third row is folded flat, making it ideal for long road trips or large families. But it's under the hood where the Hycross truly breaks new ground. It comes with two engine options. The first is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that produces 174 PS of power and 205 Nm of torque, mated to a CVT transmission. This version delivers a fuel efficiency of around 16 km per liter, which is decent for a vehicle of this size. However, the real star is the hybrid version. It uses a 2.0-liter engine paired with an electric motor and an eCVT transmission. The combined output is around 186 PS, and torque from the petrol engine stands at 206 Nm. More importantly, the hybrid powertrain delivers outstanding fuel efficiency, with figures close to 21 km per liter in mixed driving conditions. The system automatically switches between electric only, petrol only, or a combination of both based on driving conditions, which means smoother performance and reduced emissions. Driving the Hycross hybrid feels surprisingly refined. At low speeds and in stop-go traffic, it can run on electric power alone, making it incredibly silent. Acceleration is linear and smooth, and although it's not meant to be a performance car, it handles highway cruising with ease. Toyota has also made sure the Hycross is packed with safety and driver assistance features. It comes with up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, and traction control as standard. Higher trims get Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic high beam, and a pre-collision warning system. A 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring help make parking and city driving much easier. These features not only offer protection in case of an accident but also actively work to prevent. One of the most convenient aspects of the Hycross is its suite of connected car features. Using a smartphone app, owners can remotely start the engine, lock or unlock doors, and even set geo-fencing boundaries for added security. There's also a premium 9-speaker JBL sound system in the higher variants, along with wireless charging and voice-controlled assistance. The ride quality is smooth and well-cushioned, thanks in part to the new TNGA platform it's built on, which allows for a monocoque chassis rather than the ladder frame chassis of the earlier Innova Krista. This shift makes the Hycross more car-like to drive, with better handling and less body roll. Suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and undulations with ease, making it a great companion for both city commutes and long-distance highway travel. Another advantage of the new platform is the lower floor height, which improves accessibility for elderly passengers and children. Getting in and out is now much easier, and the wide opening doors further enhance this sense of accessibility. The cabin is also noticeably quieter thanks to better insulation, which reduces road and engine noise effectively. When it comes to trims and pricing, Toyota has ensured there's something for every buyer. The base petrol variant starts at a competitive price, offering essential features without feeling stripped down, while the top-end hybrid variants come loaded with premium features and advanced safety tech. The top-spec ZX variant, in particular, feels luxurious enough to rival some entry-level SUVs and crossovers from more premium segments. Fuel efficiency, a key concern for most Indian buyers, is one of the Highcross's strongest points, especially in the hybrid variant. Over time, this not only reduces running costs but also makes it an environmentally responsible choice, aligning with Toyota's global vision for carbon neutrality. The Innova Hycross manages to keep the practicality and durability that made the Innova name famous, while injecting it with a dose of modern style, advanced tech, and eco-friendly credentials. It's no longer just a dependable family hauler, it's now a statement of forward-thinking mobility. Whether you're a family man looking for a reliable vehicle that keeps everyone comfortable and safe, or a businessperson who needs an efficient, presentable ride that's economical to run, the Highcross fits the bill. Even after years on the road, Toyotas tend to age well, and the Highcross is no exception. The interior materials are built to last, and the powertrain is engineered for long-term reliability. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and Toyota's extensive service network adds peace of mind to the ownership experience. What's more, the resale value of Toyota vehicles tends to remain high, thanks to their reputation for reliability and low cost of ownership. This means that even after a few years of use, the Highcross is likely to retain much of its value, making it a smart investment for budget-conscious buyers. All things considered, the 2026 Toyota Innova Hycross stands at the intersection of tradition and innovation. It respects the legacy of the Innova nameplate while boldly stepping into the future with a product that is more efficient, more luxurious, and more technologically advanced than ever before. It's a rare example of a vehicle that can be everything to everyone, practical without being boring, efficient without sacrificing performance, and high-tech without being complicated. As the Indian automotive landscape shifts toward more sustainable and connected vehicles, the Innova Hycross is perfectly positioned to lead the charge. Whether navigating congested urban roads or embarking on long family vacations, it offers a balanced and confident driving experience that's hard to beat. For anyone looking to buy a premium MPV that offers the best of all worlds, comfort, economy, performance, and presence, the Toyota Innova Hycross is not just a good choice, it's an exceptional one. It sets a new benchmark in its segment and proves that practicality and modernity can indeed go hand in hand.